Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it should be clear to you at this point in time the agenda taking place. After news surfaced that what? Recent album from Vybz Kartel made over 73 million, and there's another album on the way. Them realize one thing for sure. Financing the next phase of the appeal is definitely a surety. What they're trying to do, however, viewers and subscribers, is to paint I would call this defamation of character.
Bringing forth life and you don't have anything to offer that child. What is it you're adding to society or problems? You're creating another demon to come in a society and to be leeching upon people and based on the fact because their money go run out, you know. Their money are going to run out because a fool and their money shall soon depart. The Bible tell you that. So yes, I'm fornicating. I did not say to you that I'm not fornicating. I will away fornicate.
I mean, because that statement about Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer's son, without actually mentioning Adidja's son name, that shows say, yo, they're not trying to paint a certain picture. It wasn't necessarily about the story of, little Adi getting first youth. It was the fact, say, yo, a Vybz Kartel son are getting first youth. So, the legacy that is being established. They might try to paint a picture like they must say, yo, this is the type of lifestyle or the type of mindset that Vybz Kartel and his music and his legacy is pushing on the island. So that when the appeal is brought to international court, them can say this is the type of individual based on what the media is saying, because factor this in. Nowadays when making decisions, even your media presence, them say nowadays them will check you out, them check out the site them you go up on the things them you post. So no doubt when them make a decision upon an individual, them say make look upon who this individual is. What them go use to find out who this individual is. Is that them go ask people, or them go look upon what them say in the media. And that is why they might try this way, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's why they might go out and them way to make certain statements about the teacher. They never have to do it. There was no necessity. People are calling upon people live. And I talk, I say, oh, the money are going to run out. They might think about the teacher money. You see what the play is about. You clearly see what the play is about. The fact is that they might mention money in the reasoning. Think about it. Think about it. They must say, oh, no matter dream of money, him now can take care of you when offer to the youth. Enough people they ever raised by no parents. Enough raised by single parents. What do you mean by way of offer? Him have the presence. In this day and age, just the presence of a male figure in the home is significant. Ask anybody that are in the know. Just the presence of a male figure. Whether it be the biological father, the stepfather, or our uncle. The fact that male figure is there, a man there with the youth them, alongside a woman, that's what we need. We have to talk about total balance. So when some people ask what little Adi have to offer, really and truly, what do you have to offer your youth them? Where you going to tell them, say, years of wisdom. Recently we see them start get homework from yard and enough parents couldn't help them pitney. What you have to offer to pitney? All majority of parents do is feed, clothe and shelter. By God blessing them pitney. Them do nothing else for them. I only make them learn. When you make pitney learn, all you do is provide that financial support for pitney. And And we point out, say we have enough money to do that for 20 pitney. So you know the feelings don't want to say, oh, yo, the money I got run out. Money I got run out pan what? What will the money run out pan? Money are forwarding daily. What will the money run out pan? A Pampers? You may come buy millions of dollars with a Pampers, so the baby not gonna grow. The statement has no merit. What them do are criticize or critique Vybz Kartel. Yeah, and just the simple fact they know a little Addy is the son of Vybz Kartel. And that's a personal for so much of them. I don't feel like another reason. I don't see another clear reason for somebody to call you and say, yo, this is outrageous. What's so outrageous about it? I don't see what's so outrageous about it. You're all, at this point in time, consensual adults. You're all consensual adults at this point in time. So I don't know where una meds. I don't know what wants to take place from a situation like this. My sister don't want people to face penalties. Young mother. What do you mean? The fact that she had to take responsibility. The fact that little Adi had to take responsibility. But I want to now look on that merit. I bet if you meet the media saying I'm my youth and I'm my youth, you know what I say to step up. That would be the general consensus. If they say I'm my youth, you know say what you know. In the step up, you know, and take care of the youth, you know, at the realest way, you know. And that everybody and them friend would have say. But because them already step up, already be a man, you know find a different thing to talk about now. You know say him shouldn't step up and him should not be a man. Basically. We're glad to see or hear the news of life, expected life. A more life we say. The more we go down, but a more life. What is a down? Some don't know them talk about money so done. You know, stop watching your pocket like so on the phone. Stop watch other people pocket. The fact that we are earn money and money are forwarding. Why we not say our money are got done? Then if superstars money are got finish, that car that they were calling, them so broke. Then if superstars they make 73 million off of one project and have another project on the way. Plus has been making music for quite some time now. And if them money are gonna run out, imagine that regular citizen who are calling a while ago on the program. Because enough of them are going and them are build gates and them are even build fence. As the Vybz Kartel said, enough of them would like to talk about money. Enough people who you see make money the topic of conversation don't really have much money. Me always notice that. Even the artists who come out and say we're rich, you check it, them not that rich. The ones who show cash to them is we normally realize that them go bankrupt first. Yeah. And them have a file for chapter 11 first because the persona. And when the tax people them part to collect these for these millions we claim say I make, you don't have the tax to pay. You don't even have the millions for them tax. You don't have it. It's all a facade as them would say. It's an image them put up. Know what I mean? Yeah, that's an image. Not really them. Them not portray themselves. Them not portray themselves, viewers and subscribers. Them talking, them calling for Triple X show and them a call for a bag of Ray. I'm gonna notice and I watch and I say, alright. This is the style. That them a forward it. Well, alright. You not pay no mind. Because at the end of the day, you know, them a try to do, them a try to rally troops. Them a try to gain supporters. Them want people to put up on them side. Everybody already in favor. A little Addy and him young bride. Because the situation has already taken place. They never come on social media and say we have planned to do this. Things happen. And we have moved forward from it. Then we come and tell us we plan this couple months in advance. They never said that. The situation occurred, and as right-minded people, we are moved forward. We are finding the best solutions and we are moving forward. We have a big up Shorty too. You know what I mean? Yeah, mama did there with them. You don't know the teacher they were him there. And some people like I guess them want him to stay. But freedom is a must. I will not stop saying. We will not stop saying freedom is a must. Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section though. Let me know what you think. Know what I mean? If you're one of those naysayers who are in agreement, drop a comment in the comment section, make you and Gaza Nation discuss it. Remember, man, drop your comments and thoughts regardless of what you think. Know what I mean? Look for the situation we are going. People are talking about the teacher money so done. They are calling on live. It's clear say it's not just about what takes place in liquor at it. It's the dislike for Vybz Kartel. Where I fuel them statements. But I see the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, there's a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. Like icon there to share icon in close proximity, tell a friend, tell them sister and brother them to check out the channel and join the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always open. You know what I mean? Yes, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can chat from this one. Yeah, man, now move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.